Did you know your life insurance can do a lot more than just pay out when you die? It can protect your family if you get sick, cover your mortgage while you're recovering, grow your money with the stock market, and even create tax-free income you can never outlive. That's the power of an IUL, or Index Universal Life Policy. I'm Rolando, financial strategist with the Financial Architects. And in this video, I'll explain what an IUL is, how it works, and why it might be the most versatile financial tool you've never heard of. Most people only think of life insurance in two ways. They buy a term policy for 20 or 30 years, it protects their family, and then it ends. Or they think permanent insurance is too expensive, so they avoid it altogether. The problem is this: if all you have is temporary coverage, what happens when your term ends, or if you want protection that builds wealth or retirement? And here's another issue. Many people don't realize life insurance can help you while you're alive, not just when you die. Imagine this: you're working hard, raising your family, paying your mortgage, and suddenly you're diagnosed with cancer or have a stroke. The hospital bills are one problem, but the bigger problem, the mortgage is still due. Groceries, gas, childcare, all is still due. If you can't work, what happens to your home, your family's stability? This is where most families struggle because they thought insurance was just for death, not for life. That's where modern life insurance steps in. Today, both term policies and IULs come with what's called living benefits. Here's what that means. Terminal illness. If a doctor says you're likely to pass away within 24 months, you can access money from your policy now. So you can cover bills, create memories, and reduce stress from your family. Critical illness. If you suffer a major event like a heart attack, stroke, cancer, ALS, or even blindness, you can tap into your death benefit while you're alive. Chronic illness. If you can't perform just 2 of the 6 activities of daily living for a period of time, your policy can pay you monthly, tax-free. And here are the 6 ADLs in plain English. 1. Bathing. Being able to shower or bathe yourself. 2. Dressing. Being able to put on your own clothes. 3. Eating. Being able to feed yourself. 4. Toileting. Being able to get to and from the bathroom and clean up afterward. 5. Continence. Being able to control your bladder and your bowels. 6. Transferring. Being able to move in and out of bed or chair on your own. If you lose 2 of these, you can advance your death benefit to cover not just medical costs, but also your living expenses like the mortgage, groceries, and childcare. That's protection you can actually use. Now let's talk about the IUL itself, an Index Universal Life Policy, a permanent life insurance plan that protects your family for life, but also builds cash value. Here's how it works. Your cash value is linked to the S&P 500, the index of the 500 largest US companies. Think about names like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Tesla. When the market grows, your cash value grows up to a cap, usually around 9%. When the market drops, you don't lose money. There's a 0% floor. Your worst return is 0. That means your money is always moving forward, never backward. And over time, your cash value can grow so much that you can actually end up with more money than you put in. Best part, you access that money tax-free in retirement through policy loans. So what does this mean for you? Your family is protected with a tax-free death benefit. You're covered for living benefits like terminal, critical, or chronic illness. Your cash value grows with market but never loses money. You can create a stream of guaranteed tax-free income for life. And unlike a 401k or an IRA, there are no government contribution limitations. You control how much you put in. This is why so many people are using IULs, not just for insurance, but as a cornerstone of their retirement strategy. So here's my question for you. Do you want life insurance that only pays when you die? Or do you want life insurance that also protects you while you live, grows wealth, and guarantees income in retirement? If you're ready to learn more, click the link below in the description and schedule your free consultation today. At the Financial Architects, we don't just work with one company. We partner with A-rated carriers like National Life Group, AIG, Foresters, Nationwide, and Gerber Life. These companies have been protecting families for over 100 years. They manage billions in assets and pay out billions in claims every year. That's the kind of stability you want when you're building a financial plan to protect your family and your retirement. I'm Rolando with the Financial Architects. Remember, life insurance isn't just about death. With the right plan, it's about how you live. Click the link below in the description and schedule your free consultation today. Let's design a strategy that protects your family now and builds tax-free income for your future.